Good morning, students. This is Pradhuman sir again in front of you, and here comes with the new video on the topic of the first chapter, and the first chapter is a computer system. Okay. So in the previous video, we have just simply learned about some previous topic that are a computer system, that's meaning, and after that the hardware. Okay. But in this video, we are going to discuss about other hardware devices and the second topic of this, or the last topic of this video, that is software. Okay. Now in the previous video I simply told you something about the software, but we are going to take a detailed overlook over this topic, that is software. Okay. So let's get started with the topics, that is other hardware devices. But before starting the topic, or before starting this video, I'm just simply going to remember you that if you are a new viewer in my channel, then go there and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, select all from the list so that you can get the notification of my video very firstly. So let's start with the first heading. Okay, in the other hardware device, that is touch screen. Okay, so basically touch screen, what is that? So a touch screen is a computer screen that is sensitive to the touch. Okay, means basically we are just simply watching our day-to-day life, that we are just simply handle the mobile phones that are touch screened, and after that some of the tablets. Okay, some of the all the tablets which we just simply use in our daily life, these all tablets are also touch screen, and after that some of the laptop screen are also nowadays having an inbuilt feature in them, that is touch screen. Okay, so basically they are just simply sensitive to the touch. Okay, the live touch means a live person can just simply touch that screen and it will respond according to your touch. Okay, suppose if you just simply press and hold that part of that area of the screen, then it will select the that particular folder or the file. Okay, if you just simply scroll up and down, then it will scroll the page up and down. If you swipe left, swipe right, then it will just simply swipe the page left and swipe the page right side. Okay, so likewise this is called the this is basic features of the touch screen, means we can just simply touch anywhere in the screen and we will just simply get that according to our input it will respond. Okay, now after that we can select the object directly by touching with finger without using any pointing device. Okay, means you are not supposed to use the mouse. Okay, means here you cannot use the mouse. If you wanted to use, you can also use that particular mouse with the help of a USB, like that OTG cable. Okay, after that if you want. Okay, but there is no need to use a mouse. Instead of when there is a touch screen, you can just simply swipe up with your fingers, with your thumbs, with your means these all four fingers and one thumb. Now after that, for example, tablet, laptop, ATM also. Okay, some of the ATMs of our city library is just simply having a inbuilt feature in their screen, that is touch screen. So we have to simply select the withdraw option, saving or current account, whatever account you have. I don't think so you have any account in your bank system, but further if your guardian, like your father, your mother, and someone else like your sister or your brother, your grandparents like grandfather and grandmother, suppose they have an account in any type of bank and they go to an ATM to check their balance or withdraw their money from that ATM, then they simply select they simply swipe with the help of the fingers. Okay, so if they want to withdraw the money from the ATM. Okay, now after that the scanner. Okay, these are some other devices, some other hardwares. Okay, some other hardwares like they both input or might be they are the output device. Okay, likewise a touch screen is both, like a touch screen is an input device as well as it is a output device, because when you just simply touch, this is your command. Okay, and this is your instruction to the screen, to the computer system, that open this. Okay, and after executing your result that show that opening the folder, it will execute your plan, execute your command, and that command after executed is called the output. So a touch screen is both the input and the output device. Now after that, the scanner is an input device because it will scan your hard copy and send a soft copy to your computer system, and you can save it for the future use. Okay, so it is a device that reads the text or a picture printed on paper, as I told you. Okay, and it translates the information into a form that only a computer can understand. Okay, means just simply suppose you wanted to take a printout of this page, but you don't lose the quality of the paper. Okay, then you can just simply scan that paper with the help of a scanner. Okay, it will just simply scan this paper as usual. There is no difference, there is no quality difference with that scanner. Okay, but if you just simply click a picture with your phone, might be it will lose some of the property of that. Means the natural looking of this page is not visible in that picture quality taken by the camera of your phone. But if you just simply scan this paper with the help of a scanner, you cannot lose your quality of the paper. Okay, now after that, there are mainly three types of scanner present there, which are commonly used, like flatbed scanner, sheet fed scanner, and handheld scanner. Okay, basically there are three types of scanner, as I told you. You have to learn these all because if the school will resume, I will ask you all these types, like what are the types of CPU. Okay, means what are the main parts of CPU? Like there are three main parts of CPU, that is CU, MU, CU, and ALU. Okay, and after that I will also ask you that what are the main parts of computer. Then you have to computer system. Then you can just simply told me that monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, and the fifth one is speaker. Okay, all these things you have to remember this for your future use, future purpose. Okay, because if the school resumes, I will just simply ask you these basic questions. Okay, now after that, the printer. Okay, as I told you that scanner is an input device and a touch screen is an input and output, both the device. And after that, the printer is an output device. Okay, so it print on paper that the output that you see on a computer screen. Means whatever you want. Suppose you want to print this page in a paper, in a hard copy, in a hard manner. Okay, then you can just simply print it, and it will print out with the help of a printer, and printer is an output device. Okay, the output printer printed on a paper is called hard copy. Means when you simply take this soft copy in a hard page, in a copy page or in a A4 size page, that A4 size page is simply called the hard copy. Okay, now the fourth is plotter. So what is a plotter? Plotter is also like a printer, and it is also a output device. So a plotter is a kind of printer for a computer, as I told you. Usually it is used to print on a paper in a very large size paper. Okay, means basically the plotter, the use of plotter is in a for flex purpose. Okay, means suppose we want to print a holding over there. Suppose I am a politician and I want to appeal to my pupil that please vote for me. I am the most honest and person. Okay, like that. So I'm that kind of person that you want to choose as your next leader, as your next politician, to make your city clean and green. Okay, so like that, if you wanted to make a flags or a holding, you can also advertise with the help of flags and holding. And if you wanted to print these holdings and flags out from that, then you have to use the plotter as a device. Okay, now plotter print their output by moving colored pen across the surface of the piece of a paper. Okay, means there are several pens are just simply held inside it, and they will just simply draw whatever type of drawing it is. Okay, they will just simply draw the flags or that in a very large area. Okay, so they are generally used for flags printing. They can draw complex line art including text, but do so very slowly because the mechanical movement of the pen. Okay, means if you wanted to make such a big screen printing, then you suppose I'm just standing like this, and I wanted that such type of flex of myself is just simply printed with the help of this plotter. And this is a very slow process because several pens are just simply moving here and there to make your appropriate drawing. Okay, so that it takes some time. Okay, now after that, speaker is also an output device that just give you an sound of music or movie to be listened. Okay, so speaker are used to listen to music or sound stored in a computer system. Okay, suppose some of the music are just simply stored in your computer and you want to listen them, then you can just simply use the speaker. And you can also when you watch movies and when you are just simply playing games, then you are just use the speaker so that the particular sound of that game or that movie just simply go into your ear and you can enjoy that movie or that game. Okay, now after that, light pen is an input device. Okay, because we are entering data into the computer. When we are entering data into a computer, into means the input device. Okay, on taking out from the computer system, that means that is a output device. Okay, like a monitor is an output device, printer is an output device, because it take the printout of your screen, of your monitor screen in a hard paper, not in a hard paper, in a paper. Okay, so it looks like a pen that can be used for a special pad. Wherever you write on this pad is visible on the monitor. Means whatever type of you are writing in that pad. Okay, in that pad whatever you type with the help of that stylus. Okay, that particular pen. Okay, suppose where's my pen? Okay, suppose this is the pen and this is a light pen. Suppose, okay, this is not, but suppose if this is a light pen, then you can just simply use this light pen over that pad, and when you simply writing anything you are just simply writing, it will just simply type or visible on the monitor screen. Okay, and that light pen is also called stylus. Okay, stylus, it is just simply called. Okay, so now the next is joystick. Joystick is also an input device that is used to play games. Okay, so it is used for playing games. It helps you to move the item, not the item, the character. Okay, suppose you are playing Mario and you wanted to jump it over, so you can just simply press the jump button from the joystick and your Mario character will jump and move ahead and fire, just simply fireballs and everything whatever you want you can do with your joystick. Okay, now after that, pen drive is not an input device, not an output device. Okay, what is that? Pen drive is also known as flash drive, and it is called as storage device. Okay, so it is a very small in size but can store and transfer data from one computer to another. Okay, and it can be handled easily. Means a pen drive size is like this. Okay, that much size. If I think it can be brought up to that much size. Okay, and the smallest pen drive I think I have ever watched in my life, that is the size of the pen drive is this. Okay, so it can be it is a very portable device. You can store, you can take it with in your back pocket also. You can also store it in your bag, in your carry bag, and the simply use of this device is to transfer data from one computer system to another computer system. Nowadays, some of the pen drive are inbuilt with OTG system, so that you can just simply plug in your mobile phone, like your smartphone, and you can just simply get all the data in your mobile also. You can also transfer your computer system's data to your smartphone. Okay, now the hard disk. What is a hard disk? So it is an device which stores huge amount of data and information. Okay, means the capacity of a hard disk is very high, means up to I think 1 terabyte or 2 terabytes, 5 terabyte, 1 zettabyte. So I don't think so there is a limited edition of HDD like hard disk. Okay, so you can store a huge amount of data instead of using your pen drive. Basically, a pen drive is about of 1 terabyte, but a hard disk can be more than a pen drive or a flash drive. Okay, so basically it is presented inside the CPU box. As I told you that tomorrow I will just simply make a CPU box here, and inside the CPU box you can just simply get that hard disk over there. Okay, this is a type of rectangular box. In that rectangular box there are several departments, there are several drives like C drive, D drive, E drive and F drive. There are 4 drives just simply present in the hard disk, and the whole your data is simply stored in that in these all drives. Okay, now after that the compact disk. Okay, what is that compact disk? That is a CD. Okay, basically the CD, and the CD I think store up to 700 to 800 MBs. Okay, that is very low. Okay, so you have to be grown up and don't use CDs. Instead of, you can use a flash drive or a hard disk. Okay, because CD can store up to only 700 to 800 MBs. So I think it is not enough for us to store these data, because nowadays if you want just simply store 200 or 300 songs in your storage device, then I think so that these 300 songs are just simply more than 1 GB. So buy some other storage device, not as a CD or a compact disk. Now the CD stands for compact disk, and it is a round, flat and shiny disk that store a lot of information. And they write a lot of information, but I don't think so. The CD store lots of information instead of storing about 700 to 800 MBs. MBs means the megabyte, GB means gigabyte. Okay, TB means terabyte. SB means zettabyte. Okay, so these are the memory units which are used in computer system. So I think you can get a GB or a TB with instead of MBs. Okay, now the microphone. Okay, so microphone is also an input device and compact disk. The CD is a storage device. Both the pen drive, the hard disk, the compact disk, the DVD, these 4 are storage device. No input, no output, only storage device. Okay, remember this. Now the microphone. So microphone, what is a microphone? Microphone is also an input device that can store your voice, that can record your voice, that can use to talk with your friends. Suppose I am just simply recording this video, then I am just using this headphone, these type of headphone I am just simply using, and this headphone is having an inbuilt mic quality that can enhance my voice with the help of recording system. Okay, this is a Bluetooth device, and it will just simply store my voice when I am just simply recording this video. Okay, so a microphone is used to record your voice and different sound in a computer system. Means basically, if you want to record, suppose you are a good singer, I am not, because I am not a good singer. If you are a good singer, then you can just simply sing a song, and you can easily record the song with the help of that microphone. But you have to purchase a better quality of microphone so that it can store as it is voice that you sing. Okay, and it can also help us to talk to your friends or internet. When we are just simply connected with your friends over any country or over any cities, then we can just simply talk with them with the help of microphone, because if there is no microphone, then we cannot talk to them with the help of without the help of microphone. Okay, so it is very necessary when we are talking with any of your friend or any of your relative or loved ones, then you can just simply use that microphone to talk to them with efficiently. Okay, now the second topic of this video, or the last topic of this video, because after that I don't think so that this video goes lengthy, so I will simply stopping there the video after this second topic. And the second topic of this video, that is software. The software, as I told you in the previous video, that the part of the computer that cannot be touched or feel with the help of our skin is called software. Okay, so let's read whatever is written in the book, that is Software is that part of computer which cannot be touched. To make the hardware work, we need to have software installed in it. Okay, means all the applications like Google Chrome, WhatsApp, phone pay and Facebook and Google Chrome and Opera Mini and all these software which are simply installed in your mobile phones, these all are called software because we cannot touch them. Okay, means I think that there is a question in your mind, sir. When we are using our phone, we can just simply click over it with the help of our thumb. Suppose we want to open the WhatsApp, then we just simply click with the help of this finger, with this thumb over it, and you are just simply saying that we cannot touch them. So this is a sensitive part that you touch. Okay, so basically you are not supposed to take out the WhatsApp in your hand. Okay. Basically, you cannot take out WhatsApp from your mobile in your hands. So, basically, this is called the software. You cannot hold it. Okay, touching is not important. Basically, it means to hold. I just simply hold the monitor in my hand because it is lightweight and it's my capacity to hold it. I can also hold the CPU. I can also hold the keyboard in my hand, but I cannot hold WhatsApp in my hand because it is a software, it was not a hardware. Okay, so let us understand software with the help of the following examples. Okay, so here is some example just simply given here, so you can read that example, but I just simply told you first example I just simply give you like the WhatsApp, and after that the second example I will simply give you according to this book, that suppose a song is simply stored in your mobile phone or in a computer system. You cannot hold that song in your hand. Okay, you can just simply play that song, you can listen that song with your ears, and you can play that song with your fingers to press the buttons, but you cannot hold that song in your hand. So without the thing that cannot be held in our hand are called softwares. Okay, now thus we can define software as a set of instructions given to the computer to do particular work. Okay, software is a combination of many instruction. Okay, means pre-installed instruction, and they are not supposed to you are not supposed to give the command. Okay, you have to just simply select that particular section and it will open in front of you with a pop-up style. Okay, so that is called the software, that it built some instruction in it. Okay, so basically there are two types of software. The first one is system software and the second is application software. System software is just simply like the Windows. Okay, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Okay, so Windows Vista, Windows 2000, Windows 1998 and all these type of Windows, or like iMac. Okay, so all these iMac are just simply used in Apple laptops, and all these types of softwares like Android. Okay, Android is also a type of system software that runs your computer, that runs your mobile, that runs your smartphone, whatever the user wants. Okay, according to your need, the system software works. Okay, now it is in the system software, it is a set of programs that control overall working of computer. Okay, basically a system software work to help or enhance your performance, sorry, not your performance, enhance the performance of your smartphone so that you can use it very frequently. Okay, now for example, the operating system is a part of system software that make a computer to run. Okay, as I told you that OS, what is that OS? Operating system is the part of a computer system that runs your computer system and make and feel you that you are using with a very professional look or a very friendly. Okay, and the second example of system software is the antivirus softwares. Okay, so they are also help you to make your phone, make your computer system clean so that you can use it in very frequently manner. Now the second okay, wait a minute, just it manage all the input and output operation. Okay, means the system software is simply work to manage input device as well as output device to work frequently in a very professional manner. Okay, now after that, application software, the software that help you to do specific type of work is called application software. Means they are just simply built to do a specific type of work. Like Google Chrome is used to used for net surfing, and WhatsApp is used for chatting. Okay, basically chatting with your friends, chatting in a group. Okay, or for video conferencing, you can also make a video conferencing with the help of WhatsApp. You can also make a call with the help of WhatsApp. If suppose there is no balance in your phone, then you can use the WhatsApp. You can also connect your mobile phone with the Wi-Fi. Okay, and after that you can use it frequently. Okay, so these type of application are just simply built to do a specific type of work. Okay, now some popular application software are, so there are some examples of application software like Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is used for typing letters and do many works. Okay, and only for typing purpose. Now PowerPoint is used to make like presentation, your idea, your concept. You can use your idea and concept and make a presentation with the help of PowerPoint, MS PowerPoint. Now Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet. You can make a spreadsheet with the help of MS Excel. MS Paint, very popular software, very popular software among the children. They can just simply, if you are a good artist, then you can make an art or drawing with the help of MS Paint in your computer system. Okay, so this is all enough, and I am simply stopping this video because both the topics are just simply completed, and after that I am just simply stopping this video because I am thinking that this video goes lengthy. But before stopping my video, I am here. I am just simply remembering to you that if you are new to my channel, then go there and subscribe my channel. Basically, you have to subscribe my channel so that you can get the notification of my video very frequently. Okay, some of you are simply saying that sir, I cannot get your video time to time, so that I am just simply giving you a enhanced look that you can simply subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also, so that you can get the notification of my video very firstly. Okay, so stay tuned with my channel, and goodbye friends.